5 upon y is equal to 7. 3 upon x plus 4 upon y is equal to 5.
Being given a sum 4 upon excuse me 4 upon x plus 5 upon y is equal to 7 and 3 upon x plus 4 upon y is equal to 5. We can write this as 4 into 1 upon x plus 5 into 1 upon y is equal to 7 and 3 into 1 upon x plus 4 into 1 upon y is equal to 5. We can assume 1 upon x to be m and 1 upon y to be n. Now we get the equation 4m plus 5n is equal to 7 and 3m plus 4n is equal to 5. Now we solve this like we used to solve our equations. We multiply 1 by 3 and we multiply 2 by 4. We get 12m plus 15n is equal to 21 and 12m plus 16n is equal to 20. We subtract 4 from 3, we get n is equal to minus 1. And then we use that n is equal to minus 1 in equation number 3. We get m is equal to 3. Now we have m is equal to 3 and n is equal to minus 1. But we know that m is 1 upon x and n is 1 upon y. Therefore 1 upon x is equal to 3, which means x will go here and 3 will come here. X is equal to 1 upon 3. And 1 upon y is minus 1. Y will go here, minus 1 will come here. We cannot have negative in denominator, so the negative will go in the numerator. So it's minus 1 upon 1, which is minus 1. So x and y is 1 upon 3 and minus 1. Any questions? No? You understood? The problem here is your variables are in the denominator. If in any other way we would have solved it, if you would multiply it, you will get 4x plus 5y is equal to 7xy and 3x plus 4y is equal to 5xy. And then there is no way to get rid of the xy, right? So that is why we don't do that. We multiply it by 1 upon x and we change 1 upon x to another variable. So we can solve this variable and then we can get back to the answer. Okay? This is the only way this can be done. Alright? Any questions? Yes, Shridas. What are you not understanding? See, from ax plus by is equal to c format until and unless we use this supposition. What we do, we suppose it कि 1 upon x m हो गया और 1 upon y n हो गया. Until unless तुमने ये suppose नहीं किया तो तुम इसको solve नहीं कर पाओगे, बराबर? हमारा main उद्देश्य क्या है linear equation में कि कोई भी equation जो है वो हमें इस format में चाहिए. किस format में चाहिए? ax plus by is equal to c के format में चाहिए. तो हमने वही किया, हमने इसको ax plus by के c के is equal to c के format में लाया. अब x और y की जगह m और n यूज किया, इससे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. मैंने आपको पहले भी बोला कि वेरिएबल की वैल्यू तो हमें वैसे भी नहीं मालूम, बराबर? उसको पता लगाने के लिए तो हम पूरा सम कर रहे हैं. तो ये कैसे करना है? ये ऐसे ही करना है. आपको 1 upon x को सपोज करना है m है और 1 upon y को सपोज करना है n है, और उसके बाद आप इसको सॉल्व कर सकते हैं. ठीक है? कोई सवाल? प्लीज राइट दिस डाउन.
equal to 15. 8 upon x plus 5 upon y is equal to 77.
बराबर? So can we write this as 2 into 1 upon x minus 3 into 1 upon y is equal to 15 and 8 into 1 upon x plus 5 into 1 upon y is equal to 77. Let 1 upon x be m and 1 upon y be n. Therefore what we get? 2m minus 3n is equal to 15 and 8m plus 5n is equal to 77. This becomes number 1, this becomes number 2. What can we do? How can we get this same? Anyone? What should we multiply with what? Look at the numbers and tell me. Yes, Rochan?
Multiplying 1 by 8
1 by 8.
first.
Why? You will directly multiply 1 by 4, na? Then you will get 8, right? Why should you multiply both? Don't do stupid work. Don't always multiply this with this and this with this. If you can get the first one as this by multiplying with some number, do that, na? All we have to do is multiply 1, please sit down, by 4, and then we will get 8m minus 12n is equal to 60. This becomes 3. Subtracting 4 from 3, we get 8m minus 12n is equal to 60. 8m plus 5n is equal to 77. Minus, 8m, 8m gets cancelled. Minus 12n minus 5n will give you minus 17n. 60 minus 17, minus 17, minus cut, n is equal to 1. Substituting n is equal to 1, in 1 we will get 2m minus 3 into 1 is equal to 15, 2m is equal to 18, m is equal to 9. M is equal to 9 and n is equal to 1. But m is equal to 1 upon x and n is equal to 1 upon y. Therefore 9 is equal to 1 upon x and 1 is equal to 1 upon y. X is equal to 1 upon 9 and y is equal to 1. Solution: x comma y is equal to 1 upon 9 comma 1. Can someone check the answer behind? To be m, we assume 1 upon y to be n. We solved it, we got n ka value, we got n ka value. We superimposed m ka value to 1 upon x and n ka value to 1 upon y. This went there, so you got x is equal to 1 upon 9, and this went here, and you got y is equal to 1. Simple enough? Any questions? Anything that you've not understood, please ask. Next time someone will come on the board and do it. So if you have
x minus y is equal to 15 upon x plus y minus 5 upon x minus y is equal to minus 2.
चलो अभी बता अगला स्टेप क्या रहेगा? पहला स्टेप क्या रहेगा?
The step can be written as
Can be written as, बता कैसे लिख सकते हैं इसको?
10 और x plus y
बोलना
x plus y
इधर
then
10 के आगे x plus y आएगा. 10 के आगे क्या आएगा? ब्रैकेट
X plus y
ऊपर
9.
फिर
1 upon
बोलो
1 upon x plus
1 upon
x plus y
plus 2 into 1 upon
x minus y.
is equal to 4. Very good. 15 into 1 upon x plus y minus 5 into 1 upon x minus sorry. बराबर. अब अगला स्टेप रितेश क्या आएगा वो? अगला स्टेप क्या आएगा? उससे पहले कुछ करना पड़ेगा ना. और वो 10m डायरेक्टली कैसे आएगा? तुमने सम सॉल्व किया है?
नहीं
फिर पिछला वाला देख के बोल रहा है ना.
let one upon x plus y
Good. So 10m plus 2n is equal to 4 and 15m minus 5n is equal to minus 2. बराबर? ये किससे मल्टीप्लाई कर सकते हैं अपन सेम करने के लिए? फाइव इज 15, तो फाइव कहाँ है यहाँ पे? या तो ऐसा कर सकते हैं कि इसको 3 से मल्टीप्लाई कर, इसको 2 से कर, या ऐसा कर सकते हैं इसको 5 से कर और इसको 2 से कर, बराबर? तो मल्टीप्लाइंग 1 by 3 and 2 by 2, we get 30m plus 6n is equal to 12. 30m minus 10n is equal to minus 4. Subtracting 3 from 4, we get 30m minus 10n is equal to minus 4, minus 30m plus 6n is equal to 12, minus minus, this gets cancelled, minus 10 minus 6 is minus 16, minus 4 minus 12 is minus 16, n is equal to 1. Substituting n is equal to 1 in 1, 10m plus 2 into 1 is equal to 4, 10m is equal to 2, m is equal to 2 upon 10. m is equal to 1 upon 5. ये हो गया तुम्हारा 6. m is equal to 1 upon x plus y and n is equal to 1 upon x minus y. Therefore, 1 upon 5 is equal to 1 upon x plus y and 1 is equal to 1 upon x minus y. x plus y is equal to 5, x minus y is equal to 1. अब क्या? अब क्या? अभी भी अपने को x और y तो मिला नहीं, तो अब क्या करने का? अपने को दो इक्वेशन मिला ना बाबू लोग, तो x plus y is equal to 5 minus x minus y is equal to 1. This gets cancelled. Minus minus is plus. 2y is equal to 4. Y is equal to 2. And then x is equal to 5 minus 2, that is x is equal to 3. समझा? दूसरा मतलब इसको किससे मल्टीप्लाई करके दोनों सेम हो जाएंगे. इसमें अगर आपको इसी में डिफिकल्टी है तो आगे के सम्स आप नहीं कर सकते हो, तो साइमल्टेनियस को पक्का करो. साइमल्टेनियस में क्या करना है, आपको एक को किसी एक नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करना है, दूसरे को किसी दूसरे नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करना है. हर बार इसको इससे नहीं करने का. आपको ऐसा कॉमन नंबर ढूंढना है जो कि सबसे छोटा करके भी उसको सॉल्व कर सके. तो आपने साइमल्टेनियसली सॉल्व कर लिया, आपको दोनों का वैल्यू मिल गया. लेकिन आपने अज्यूम क्या किया था, 1 upon x plus y 1 upon x minus y अज्यूम किया था. यानी आपको जो अब मिलेगा वो x plus y और x minus y होगा, x और y नहीं होगा. फिर आपको दोनों को सब्ट्रैक्ट करना पड़ेगा, तो आपको y मिलेगा और फिर उसको आप सुपर इंपोज करोगे तो आपको x मिलेगा. यानी आपको इसमें साइमल्टेनियस दो बार करना है. ठीक है, पहले यहाँ करना है फिर वहां करना है. ऑलराइट, समझा अभी?
31 upon x minus 2 plus 27 upon y plus 3 is equal to
80.
19.
రెండు రెండు execute take off.
Which answer? X minus 2 plus 31 upon y plus 3 is equal to 85. Then 31 upon x minus 2 plus 27 upon y plus 3 is equal to 89. That can be written as 27 into 1 upon x minus 2 plus 31 into 1 upon y plus 3 is equal to 85. Then 31 into 1 upon x minus 2 plus 27 into 1 plus 1 upon y plus 3 is equal to 89. We assume 1 upon x minus 2 be m and 1 upon y plus 3 be n. We get 27m plus 31n is equal to 85 and 31m plus 27n is equal to 89. Like we did in exercise 1.2, what we do is we add them, we get 58 plus 58, n is equal to 174. We divide it by 58, we get m plus n is equal to 3. We make it as number 3. We subtract this from this, so we get 4n minus 4n is equal to 4. We divide that by 4 and we get m minus n is equal to 1. We add 3 and 4 because both have different signs. So we get 2m is equal to 4, which means m is equal to 2. We superimpose that in 3, we get n is equal to 1. But m is equal to 1 upon x minus 2 and n is equal to 1 upon y plus 3. We use the values and we get x is equal to 5 upon 2 and y is equal to minus 2. Now you will think कि ऐसा कैसे करना. So you need to understand, when you get numbers which added gives you the same value, always add them. Okay? So 27 plus 31 is 58 and 31 plus 27 is 58. When you know that, you add them. So and then you subtract the bigger one from the smaller one. So you will always get values in simple variables. Once you get values in simple variables, you solve them, you get the values, and then whatever you have assumed, come back to that and you will get the answer. Okay? Simple enough? Please do complete this.
Bracket 3 plus y bracket minus 1 upon 2 value 3x minus y is equal minus 1 upon
1 upon
8.
आंसर भी पूछे क्या है? हम क्या करें ठीक से बोलो। 1 को 7 पढ़ रहा था, तुमने तो चेक नहीं किया. We've been given 1 upon 3x plus y plus 1 upon 3x minus y is equal to 3 upon 4, and we've also been given 1 upon 2 into 3x plus y minus 1 upon 2 into 3x minus y is equal to minus 1 upon 8. Now this can be written as 4 into 1 upon 3x plus y plus 4 into 3x minus y is equal to 3. Can anyone tell me where this 4 came from? Yes, this was multiplied here, right? So it will get multiplied in both the sides. Very good. So this is how we can write it. The second one can be written as 8 upon 2, 1 into 1 upon 3x plus y minus 8 upon 2 into 1 upon 3x minus y is equal to minus 1. Can anyone tell me where did 8 upon 2 came from? This 8 came here, but 2 is there. Yes, you're right. 2 is already there. So 8 upon 2 will become 4. 4 into 1 upon 3x plus y minus 4 into 1 upon 3x minus y is equal to minus 1. So we assume 1 upon 3x plus y to be m and 1 upon 3x minus y to be n. So we get 4m plus 4n is equal to 3 and 4m minus 4n is equal to minus 1. We add it and then we get 8m is equal to 2, which means m is equal to 2 upon 8. We substitute m is equal to 2 upon 8 in number 1. So we get n is equal to 1 upon 2. 4 2 is 8, 8 upon 8 is 1. Right? So n we get as 1 upon 2. Now this becomes 4, this becomes 3. By 3 and 4, m is equal to 2 upon 8 and n is equal to 1 upon 2. But we already know that m is equal to 1 upon 3x plus y and n is equal to 1 upon 3x minus y. So 1 upon 3x plus y becomes 2 upon 8 and 1 upon 3x minus y becomes 1 upon 2. 8 1 is 8, 2 3 is 6, 2 1 is 2. 1 3 is 3, 1 1 is 1. So 2 is equal to 3x minus y, which becomes 6x plus 2y is 8 and 3x minus y is 2. This we can divide by 2, so we'll get 3x plus y is 4. Now this is same, we add them because y and y can get cancelled. We get 6x is equal to 6, which means x is 1. We superimpose x is 1 here, we get 3 into 1 is 3, 3 plus y is 4, so y is 4 minus 3, y is 1. So by x and y, value is 1, 1. Simple enough?